Snapped on you? You alright? Alright. Yeah, the forklift just busted. Hydraulic fluid all over the trailer, all over the trailer tires, all in there. Aye, aye. It is what it is. Just another beautiful day in trucking. Shit happens, gotta roll with it. Alright, so basically he had to use the power tool and get the bolts off, and now he's gonna do one at a time because he can't do two at once. Right, pup? Alright, so hydraulic line was changed, and we're gonna have to unload it like that, one at a time. Just gotta undo the bolts and he'll take it off, but I mean, still, we lost quite some time, and we will lose time, so I'll go after the shipper and the broker, and for the wash at the very least. Alright, so it's a lot more difficult to disassemble this one, but it has to be done, and it's taken a while because it's not easy to take this one apart, but that's the only way it can get unloaded. So thanks a lot to the shipper.
Between the 47 and the 53 is $1,400 difference or something like that. So that's why I just put in the 53.